So now we're going to look at the Vlookup function. So it says using the codes above this table here, find the meaning of the codes below. So what we're going to do is translate what each of these numbers stand for. So you can see 1 stands for cricket, 5 stands for gymnastics, etc., etc. So when we're trying to find out the meaning of a specific code, we're going to use the lookup function. But you can see in this video that the table that we're going to use to find out the meaning of the codes is vertically set out. So this is going to be Vlookup, in other words, vertical lookup. So to start this off, it's equals Vlookup, open bracket. The lookup value is the value we're trying to find out the meaning of at this moment in time. So we're trying to find out what 1 stands for. So we're going to click on 1, comma. The table array. The table array is a table that has the codes and what they mean or what they stand for. So it's this table here. So I'm going to go from 0 down to basketball, comma. The call index number in relation to our table array. In our table array, this is column 1 and this is column 2. So we also which column has the meaning of the code we are looking for. So it's column 2. So we type 2 and exact match. So we type false at the end, hit enter. So just like with HLOOKUP, we want the green box to be locked, but we want the blue to move down as we replicate our formula. So to keep the green locked, we highlight the green, Fn F4, or just F4 depending on your keyboard. We hit enter, and then we can replicate. And you can see that 6 stands for netball, 4 for ballet, etc. So this has worked. Okay, so here's another one here. So using the codes above, find the meaning of the codes below. Alright, so we want to find out what each of these codes stand for using this table here. So it's Vlookup equals Vlookup. The value we're looking up at this moment in time is this code, comma. The table array, it's a table with the codes and what they stand for, what they mean. So it is this table over here, comma, the call index. So this is column 1 of our table array. This is column 2. So column 2 has the meaning of these codes. So we're going to type 2 and comma false for an exact match. And enter. Then before we replicate, we lock in the table array. So Fn F4, enter, and we can replicate. And then you can check by eye that this has translated this function has translated all these codes correctly. So that is the Vlookup function.